Hi friends! Next up is our book called Under the Sleepy Moon. And it goes like this. Here's our first page. It says, "In the woods, the mice scamper home as the day turns into night." Oh, here's our next page. It says, "Little fox peeks from his den. The stars are shining brightly." Oh, that's cute. "The bear cubs cuddle close to Mom, their favorite place to be." So every page, the moon looks slightly different. The moon. Okay, the squirrels scurry to their nest inside a hollow tree. So this is one tree, and then if there's more than one tree, like in woods at the beginning, you can go back and forth. All right, the badgers look up at the moon. Enchanted by its glow. Its brilliant moonlight shines upon the gentle world below. The gentle world below. All right, what does it say? Mama Owl and Owlette sing their soothing midnight tune. Oops. I think this is our last page here. It looks like everybody's settled in for the night. It's time to rest now, one and all, under the sleepy moon. Very cute. There's our last page. There's the moon. And that one's called Under the Sleepy Moon. That's a cute one. Good night, friends.